Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Roku streaming stick plus device to the factory default. Okay, first of all you just need to go to setting here and press the right button, and now go all the way down until you can see the word system. Press the right button. And now go to advanced system setting, and here you can see the factory reset. You just need to press the right button once more time, and now input the number here. So when you want time go in here, it 1884, and when I get back and go back once more time, and now it rotating the code to 2128 one time one code. So just input that code, and after that select OK, and after you reset to the factory default, the TV will reset everything, every account and application that you already installed. So please make sure before you decide to reset your TV to the factory default. Okay, after you already reset your TV to the factory default, and you need to set up it again. So let's check out how to reset your Roku streaming stick for the first time, and I will put a link in the description. Also it will pop up on the top right hand, you will see it. And now let's check it out if you want to know. Now let me say goodbye, thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.